Hello everyone. Very warm thank you first and then very good evening. Thank you. Myself Padmaja Johan. I come from Sir City, Bangalore. Goa has welcomed me, accepted me and has given me an opportunity to grow into a very beautiful human being and a best version of myself. There's nothing much in the chat. I'm sure it is self-explainable. Before I start anything, I don't want to talk about this workshop and sir. I don't think I have come to that level as of now. I have just opened up. But definitely I would want to say one thing is, I have written this as a thank you or gratitude. I want to start off from saying thank you to Nadia. People say and sir say and my lovely friend says there is something called as angels. And I think angels are nothing but they are those souls who come to you in your reality world around you without knowing me or without knowing what they are doing. But they play this amazing role in transforming your own life through your own eyes. So to start with, Nadia, I'm so thankful to you. And I will be absolutely grateful to you in my life. Sunita, definitely because of her, if she wouldn't have been here, I wouldn't have had, I'm sorry I'm using this word, but I wouldn't have had this guts to come to a place where there is a different community. Okay? Because I'm 49-year-old, have never even seen anybody closely. I don't even have a friend who is from this. Whereas my father's best friend is Muslim and his name was Anwar Uncle. He was like a next father to us. Okay? But I still didn't know. I don't remember his face. Like the way sir says, हमको पता ही नहीं है. मैंने कभी नहीं देखा. Even when we are going to the airport, we don't see. We don't even see. But I'm not shy because I know sir is recording. But I'll tell you something very honestly. I didn't know that this religion is so beautiful. It's so amazing. Peaceful. I've never heard your prayer. I don't even know what it is called because I'm not sure if I'm going to announce it or pronounce it wrongly. So even I'm not saying that word what it is called. Yeah, I don't know. क्योंकि कभी ज़बान से बोला नहीं है तो पता नहीं कि गलत हो जाएगा तो it's very pure thing for you all. It's so peaceful. It's like wow. लेकिन जब घर के बाजू में बजता था हम लोगों को कुछ और ही लगता था. इसके लिए ये वर्ड बोला बजता था तो लगता था पता ही नहीं था. I come from Bangalore and I live in our area which is like heavily populated by another religion. But everybody used to like us. But कभी समझने की कोशिश नहीं की. इसमें मैंने सिर्फ थैंक यू लिखा है बिकॉज मुझे एक चीज समझ में आ गया कि मुझे करना कुछ नहीं है बॉस. अगर मैं मेरे फोन को अपग्रेड करती हूँ, मैं अपने फैशन को अपडेट करती हूँ, मैं नए चप्पल खरीदती हूँ, तो क्या मैं नया वर्जन को अपने खुद के वर्जन को अपग्रेड नहीं कर सकती? कुछ देर के बाद हैंग हो जाता है और स्टक हो जाता है, फोन नया लेना पड़ता है. तो आपका पुराना वर्जन आपको हैंग नहीं करेगा क्या? तो आपके लाइफ में एंड्रॉइड के जैसे नए वर्जन आते हैं, वैसे हमारे लाइफ में भी नादिया, सुनीता या सर खान साहब जैसे नए वर्जन आते हैं. लेकिन क्योंकि वो चाइना से आ रहा है, हम रिजेक्ट कर देंगे क्या? चाइना से आता है तो मैनुअल चाइनीज लिखा रहता है। मुस्लिम से आएगा तो मैनुअल इस्लामिक लैंग्वेज में लिखा रहेगा, लेकिन अगर वो सेम मैनुअल हिंदू से आएगा तो हिंदी में लिखा रहेगा, लेकिन मैनुअल में जो लिखा है इंस्ट्रक्शन सेम है ना बॉस। ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के लिए, मेरी बातें आप तक पहुंचाने के लिए, आई थिंक यू शुड जस्ट बिहेव लाइक एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट। सॉफ्टवेयर उसको छोड़ देते हैं। आई एम एन इंजीनियर, तो मेरे को टेक्निकलिटी समझ में आता है। मैंने कल नाविद से बात किया था, वो खुद भी एक इंजीनियर है, तो अगर आप अलाउ करोगे नाविद तो मैं 2 मिनट के लिए कल का कन्वर्सेशन को शेयर कर सकती हूँ। थैंक यू। नाविद सर ने मेरे को बोला विद एब्सोल्यूट रिस्पेक्ट, नाविद हम जस्ट शेयरिंग इट, बोला कि आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इट, एम आई राइट? ही सेड आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इट, गिव मी 2 more minutes, I want to share this, I hope. I said it's okay. There is a wonderful person whom I've known 2 days early, and he says it's okay. It's really okay. Now I understand from his eyes what it means. It's really okay. But now I'll tell you, if I am not understood, if I have not got it, how can I put it across? When नाविद भाई ने मुझे ये बोला तो मैंने उनको बोला कि yes, it is okay to not to get it. ऊपर सिग्नल्स है कि नहीं है? है ना? फ्रीक्वेंसीज है ना ऊपर, उसी से तो आपका इंटरनेट कनेक्ट होता है कि नहीं होता है? होता है। लेकिन अगर आपका इंस्ट्रूमेंट 2G इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, कितना है? 2G। लेकिन ऊपर तो आज की तारीख में 5G चल रहा है ना, तो आपके फोन में 5G कनेक्ट होगा क्या? सोच समझ के जवाब देना है, क्योंकि मैं दूसरा सवाल पूछने वाली हूं। आपका इंस्ट्रूमेंट 2G है, लेकिन ऊपर का जो फ्रीक्वेंसी है वो 5G है। मेरी फ्रेंड का फोन 5G है, तो उसको क्या सिग्नल मिलेगा? लेकिन अगर मेरा फोन 4G है तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? तो मुझे अगर 5G चाहिए तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? क्या करना पड़ेगा? और कौन करेगा? करने के लिए क्या चाहिए? करने के लिए क्या चाहिए? Willingness. This is all what I have understood from this amazing program called as Discover Myself. I will not call it hereafter as yourself. It's me. It's me. And all I have to say before I get down from this is, if you can upgrade your phones, if you can upgrade your signals, I think communication बराबर हो जाएगा ना? सारे apps download हो जाएंगे, टेकी कहलाओगे ना? When you are techie means when you are very technically sound, things will fall in place. If it doesn't, you have to just download another app. And saying this, I would say just thank you to each one of you all. Today I can say very confidently thanks to Sunita, because I cannot be thankful enough to her for bringing a very different energy in me. 3 years back, if you guys would have seen me, I'm a very aggressive, very hyper, very impulsive, very energetic. I'm an entrepreneur by nature. I live. I've done a lot of things in my life. Okay. I learned. I unlearned. And I'm relearning now. Around 49 years back, my mom gave birth to me. This gentleman, an amazing soul, has given me a rebirth. He's telling me, क्या हो गया? सब ठीक है? मैंने बोला मेरे को लगता है मैं अब ठीक हूँ. He said, मेरे को इतना अच्छा लग रहा है, मेरे को नींद आने वाली है. See, just understand. I understood with your point of view, and you did not do anything. You just showed me mirror. And any which ways, I don't know if everybody has done that mirror exercise. If you just say thank you, you breathe thank you, you eat thank you, you see thank you, You accept thank you. You live thank you. Rest everything universe will take care, boss. Maze karo. Thank you to all of you all and listening to me. Happy birthday, Padmaja. Thank you so much.